90 Day Fiance star Larissa Lima loves attention, and she has been getting a lot of it recently, be it good or bad. Despite getting fired from the series in season 6, Larissa somehow managed to stay relevant thanks to her adult content on OnlyFans and Instagram. Recently, the Brazilian managed to get the attention she wanted when she falsely announced her pregnancy on social media. In the post, she showed a mirror selfie of a pregnant belly with a caption that read, "I'll be 5 weeks on Monday. We're nervous to share because it's so early, but we're so excited." The announcement later turned out to be a clickbait. Lima is not pregnant. She managed to fool many people because of her post. Fans eagerly swiped up to read about Lima's announcement, but the picture turned out to be a former unexpected cast, Michaela Adkins, who is pregnant with her third child. After the whole pregnancy charade, Larissa posted a picture of her customized abs on Instagram, and fans were quick to point out her messed up belly button. People were amused by Lima's post and took to comment sections to blast her for it. Fans made many jokes about Lima's gun belly button. They took to Reddit and commented, "She went from an outie to an innie to a what the fucky. I've seen innies and outies, but I've never seen a gunny. She photoshops the shit out of everything, so I don't understand why she couldn't photoshop herself a nice belly button. The only explanation I can think of is that she actually thinks this looks good." While one fan explained, "She did have a tummy tuck, I believe. It's possible for your belly button to die from that surgery." Larissa Lima will most likely stay out of 90 Day Fiancé for some time, but this hasn't and will not stop her momentum. She reportedly makes $40,000 a month on OnlyFans.